You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. We've got more videos for you. This is generally a snake, also sometimes a scarf. It's pronounced two slightly different ways in English. Boa, which would be the more British English pronunciation. Boa. American English pronunciation is just a tiny bit different as boa. Boa. So you have boa or boa. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.